One of the biggest problems growing in our age is facial hair for women. This occurs due to imbalance in our hormones. We live in an era where everyone glorifies beauty of the body, and we might feel sad to have hair where it is not expected. This trend of glorifying body has created lesser confidence in women, and created depression in women, and sometimes even self-hatred in women. Some home remedies that can be done for reducing facial hair are: first, turmeric ground flour, lemon juice and sandalwood paste. Add 3 teaspoons of ground flour in a bowl with 2 teaspoons of turmeric. Squeeze half a lemon and add 2 pinch of sandalwood paste. Mix this well and apply this paste on face and keep it for 1520 minutes. Then rinse this with water and dry your face. This paste should be applied every day for a full month or till you see the results. This reduces your hair by initially thinning it. It also softens your skin and brightens your tone. Second, take half lemon juice, 1 tablespoonful of sugar, and make a thick paste with water. This paste can be rubbed on your skin. It exfoliates the skin and makes your face look air-free up to 6 weeks. Understand that the sugar which you are taking. See that the granules of sugar are smaller, not the bigger in size. Third, honey and lemon juice. Take half a tablespoonful of lemon juice and 1 tablespoonful of honey. Mix it well and apply the mixture. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Take the small Turkish napkin, soak this napkin in warm water, remove the excess water, and wipe off the honey-lemon paste, and then rinse the area with cold water. Honey is known for brightening and hydrating the skin. It also has a property of reducing unnecessary hair growth. This can be done 3 times in a week. 4. Food management for bringing hormonal balance. Some foods that can help with your hormonal balance are: first is soya. Soya has a phytoestrogen, so it helps in bringing balance of the hormones. This helps in balancing the level of estrogen, and this would reduce the hair growth, eventually. All soya-based products like tofu chunk and soya milk are useful: seeds, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, dry fruits, garlic, peaches, oats, barley, lentils, move with beans, rice, bran. All this helps in increasing estrogen and thus reduces excessive facial hair naturally. Sewer vegetables like cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli should be consumed. These foods should be consumed, keeping in mind that person is not allergic to soya or pyrogen. Your weight can reduce the imbalance, which is caused by estrogen and testosterone. Usually excessive weight reduces estrogen and increases other hormones like male hormones, testosterone, leading to increase in hair growth. It can also be the symptom of PCOS and menopause. PCS has been escalating so much that it now happens. 7 among 10 teenagers, you can balance hormones by these foods which I have just mentioned, or weight loss. Consuming right type of diet, focusing on all appropriate nutrients is very important. Asana that can be performed include Visan soup and sitting. Visan mats, Asana abdominal breathing Vasan, and Mandu Asan Vas help in proper production of estrogen by promoting blood flow near the pelvic region. They also help in proper functioning of the reproductive system. Apart from these acids, going for a normal walk is highly recommended. Also understand working on the problem is what is important. Sitting on the problem will not solve them. There is no need to feel inferior about it because body is body. Accept what it has and adapt to a healthy and really fresh, happier life, accepting what can't be changed. Now, all these problems can be worked upon, and we should work on the problems and not just sit cool that that's what my body is. Try and work on yourself. Every problem has its own solution. Work on the solution. Seeing the problem, don't sit and feel bad and depressive, rather work on the solution, and slowly you will see the difference in yourself. Your face would glow much better because you have worked on it. You would look much beautiful and much smart. So take charge of yourself and work on yourself.